Hey guys, and welcome back to another vlog. So starting a vlog on a road trip to Maharashtra. Basically right now I am in Goa and I reached Pedne. I have to go straight. So I set my location of Maharashtra Banda, and we'll be reaching there soon in the next 23 minutes. We're not supposed to go, but Goa is green zone, so yes, we can roam around. So yeah, that's why we are here. And I got a friend of mine too. Hi guys. ये ना वो है ऑटो कार में एक तुषार है, कुछ तो नाम है उसका, इसे वैसे ही दिख रहा है ये। कौन? ऑटो कार शो इंडिया में एक बंदा है। हाँ, जो तेरे से दिखता है। हाँ, आई थिंक सो, मैंने देखा हुआ है। वैसे चश्मा पहनता है और गाड़ी का रिव्यू बनाता रहता है। ऑटो कार। दिस इज द मैप। Just going to check the border of Maharashtra and Goa, and we'll be going back. It was a drive of 50 kilometers or something, and in that a lot of cops were there. They caught us, you know. Speed limit. We paid the fine. We struggled a lot, and yeah, we are here right now. So yeah, this is during lockdown, guys. This is May 5th, 2020. Yesterday was May 4th, be with you, you know. So yeah, the roads are amazing. Standard people. This kind of POV, I'm shooting this from GoPro Hero 7. So yep, and I don't have any. My GoPro mount was in my Honda City, so I couldn't get that, so I could have mount here and you could have seen a nice time lapse. But nevertheless, next time. Till then, enjoy the roads. So guys, this side is this is Maharashtra and this is Goa, as you can see in the map. So yeah, there's a water there. There's a kind of a lake. That is Maharashtra and this is Goa. So the feeling is amazing. This bridge goes to Maharashtra, and I'm going to Maharashtra border, as you know, guys. See, this is the border. The feeling is amazing. Soon I'm going back Mumbai, and yeah, let's hope for the best. Even he's gonna go back to Mumbai. Cool down, we are coming. See, it's just connected by this river. Still, the excitement continues as we heading towards Maharashtra border. That's Pedne. This is the north of Goa, and nice landscape. Still we are continuing driving more, I guess 8.5 kilometers to go, but before that we'll find a checkpost and we won't be able to go the other side. This car doesn't belong to me. Sad. As you can see, we have almost reached. It's 14 kilometers Sawantwadi, that is Maharashtra. Ratnagiri is 183, Panvel is 488, so we are going to Panvel, that's Mumbai after that. And yeah, I'm with my friend Rohit. We are on a road trip. ये सब गाड़ी बॉर्डर क्रॉस करने के लिए रुकी है, समझ रहे? बहुत लंबी लाइन है ब्रो। मतलब हम लोग बॉर्डर पहुंच गए ऑलरेडी। 45 आगे परमिट नहीं मिला जाने तो। चल के जाए क्या? वापस भेज दिया। ये पात्रा देवी है ना? पात्रा देवी है। यहाँ पर ऑफिसर इंचार्ज कौन है? ऑफिसर इंचार्ज उधर है। So yeah, this is the Patra Devi checkpost, which they aren't allowing to go anyone, just except the transport vehicles. And yeah, there's a lot of restrictions here. Let's get in contact with the deputy collector and see what's gonna happen, because even at the Maharashtra side they are not helping. It's kind of difficult. Let's head back now to South Goa. I hope we go there. Let's leave. It's maybe around 5 kilometers here from my place to the border, that is Patra Devi, and I hope we reach there. Rohit, he's the guy from the auto car. I'll show you the photo side by side and you can see, I guess. So we are heading back home because we couldn't get through the checkpost. Sadly, maybe next week we'll be coming back. Rohit, will you come back?
I think we are good at walk.
At least we can roam around.
Yeah,
We can go to the beaches. After having,
it's green zone after all for very long now.
we have lunch and we will go to beach. So yeah, unfortunately we are not going to Mumbai right now. We are going back to where we belong. जब भी लोग मुझे पूछते ना किधर से है भाई, मैं गोवा से हूँ, प्राउडली बोलते गोवा से हूँ. क्या कर सकते हैं यार अभी. सैड, बट अभी पूरी वाइब्स आ रही है मुंबई जाने की, तो जाएंगे, लेकिन कब जाएंगे पता नहीं. Let's see, hope for the best. Now going back home, the same route. No, we are taking the another route. This is the Mumbai Goa Express Highway, not Express Highway, but Highway. Express Highway कैसे बोल सकता हूँ यार. यहाँ पे ना गोवा में आधा अधूरा काम